Mate, that's a tornado. It just hasn't, you can't see the condensation on the surface yet. There, that's going to be your main tornado right here. That, you see how it's like that? Oh, she's coming down. She's coming down, man. I think this one's dissipating. This one's definitely not. That is a full-on tornado.
Are we moving? It's coming right at us.
Yes, it is.
The rain, too.
Look, it's come down. It's coming down. It's come down.
There, baby. It's down.
It's down. It's down.
There it is. It's spinning.
Okay. Yes. Yes, my man. We did it for Panther.
For Panther.